Hi guys, let me introduce you the video section for Flexible Page Builder. It consists of two tabs, Settings and Section Content. Under the Settings tab, you have Display Section toggle, which allows you to show or hide the section on the front end. Full width toggle to stretch the section or keep it inside the central container of your theme. Background color, ground image and video. 3 inputs to style the background of the section. Section ID and class name are used to target unique styling or events tracking. Display as a slider with navigation toggle. This toggle is used to display videos as a grid or as a slick slider. Display video in modal pop-up. If this toggle is on, when clicking on the play button, it will open a modal window full screen and initialize the video inside the modal. Otherwise, it will play inline. Number of elements per row on desktop devices. That's the number of columns of your video items on desktop. Animation. You can select out of 3 animations. They are pre-built. You can create your own if you want. In the section content, you have title, tag, and description for SEO purposes or for section presentation. You also have buttons, repeater, which will be displayed under the video section. You can add as many buttons as you want. Now, the video repeater actually has unlimited number of rows, each row containing 3 inputs. The first one is to insert the URL to an external video like YouTube, Vimeo, etc. If you insert the local video URL, for example, uploaded to media library, then the local video will be displayed. If 2 fields are filled in, then the external one will be the main one. It will be displayed. The background image, which is optional, can be used to create a nice background specifically per each video. If this field is not filled in, then the plugin will fetch thumbnails from YouTube, Vimeo, etc. After you fill in all the content, please update the page, saving the changes. Enjoy it!